Imagine if Israel was part of East Africa instead of Palestine. Although it may seem far-fetched, the idea was in fact seriously considered and almost came into effect in the early 1900s. Zionist leader Theodor Herzl turned to the UK, who offered to resettle Jews in Britain's colony in East Africa. It was known as the Uganda Scheme. Herzl brought the matter before the 6th Zionist Congress in Switzerland in 1903. It passed the first hurdle with a majority vote. However, plans fell through at the 7th Zionist Congress after experts who visited Uganda found it unsuitable for Jewish settlement. And by an overwhelming majority, the Congress voted to reject all colonization schemes except those in Palestine. Shortly after, Jews from Europe began to flock to Palestine. And in 1917, Britain issued the Balfour Declaration, which backed the idea of a national home for Jewish people in Palestine. As tensions between Jews and Arabs rose, the United Nations voted to divide Palestine into Jewish and Arab states in May 1948, when the British mandate was scheduled to end. This led to the Nakba, where more than 700,000 Palestinians were displaced, and after 70 years of occupation, the number has grown to 7 million Palestinian refugees worldwide.